And here you are in front of 4529 Venetian Way in Frisco, Texas. This incredible home has 5 bedrooms, 4 baths, and just over 3,000 square feet. 2 bedrooms are down, and you have an open layout and living space. Plus, there are a couple updates that I think you're going to enjoy. Follow me this way. Located in the exclusive gated community, the Lakes on Legacy in Frisco, Texas, residents can enjoy an abundance of amenities such as a community pool, playgrounds, and walking trails. And one of the highlights of the community, your HOA fee includes access to the Lakes Tennis Academy. Welcome inside the home, where you'll find neutral colors and beautiful hand-scraped hardwood flooring. Immediately when you enter the home, you're greeted with an open entry that has a formal dining room to your right and a butler's pantry. This open concept kitchen is one of my favorites that I know you're going to enjoy. You have this Texas-sized island, stainless steel appliances, and plenty of space to get to them. Over here, you'll have a double oven. You have Venetian with a gas burner cooktop, microwave, fridge, and plenty of counter space all the way around. Plus, I really like this custom cabinetry that has been installed and your lovely marble tile backsplash. Everyone can enjoy quick meals in the adjacent breakfast nook for informal dining. Walk from your kitchen into your family room, where you can enjoy natural light coming in from the outside. You've got this gas-burning cast stone fireplace, built-in cabinetry on both sides, a spot for your TV, and plenty of space to relax and unwind. Also on the first floor, you'll find a sizable guest suite with a separate full bath. Completing the first floor is the relaxing owner's retreat, with its soothing neutral colors, tall tray ceilings, and a luxurious ensuite bath. Wash the day away in the large soaker tub or walk-in shower. You have his and her vanities with lots of counter space and a sizable walk-in closet. Follow me upstairs, where you will find a great game room and 3 large additional bedrooms, with 2 being adjoined by a Jack and Jill bath. Each room features large walk-in closets and plenty of storage space. Step outside from your indoor kitchen to your outdoor kitchen patio area, where you have a grill, fridge, plenty of counter space, and a spot to put a fire, plenty of outdoor patio furniture, and walk this way to your private backyard retreat. You have lush landscaping and plenty of privacy, where you can hang out with family or friends and soak up the sun. Thank you for joining me today at this incredible home on this luxury home tour. If you want more information on this property or any of our listings in this incredibly hot market, you can check them all out at janritchie.com or give me a call. I'm Will Coburg, and we'll see you on the next home tour. Hashtag Will Sells It. Oh, and before you decide to jump in the pool, don't forget to follow and like us on social media and subscribe to our YouTube channel for the next video.